Does it work? Snap on the goggles to see a high-definition image, transmitted from the 1080p 12-megapixel camera located on the drone to the two internal screens. The direction of the camera on the FLYBi is controlled by a gyro inside the goggles and will mirror the pilot's head movements during flight. The drone's eyes now become your eyes, allowing you to freely explore from the sky above and snap photos and videos of what you see while in flight. Our innovative flight control system, in combination with obstacle avoidance ultrasonic sensors, will keep the drone safe, stable, and correct any of your piloting errors, allowing you to relax and fully enjoy the experience of flight straight out of the box, without any training needed or worry over damaging your FLYBi. But that's not all. Now you can share the experience of flying with others. Download the FLYBi app on your phone and stream live video of your flight, allowing anyone to join in along with you on your aerial adventure. Just snap your smartphone into the virtual reality goggles and jump right into the flight. Thanks to live streaming video technology, not only can others join in your flight path, but they can also switch back and forth between the flights of different FLYBis, right from any TV or smart device. Based on the success of our previous crowdfunding campaign, FLYBi is already a reality. With the funding we're seeking from Kickstarter, we'll be able to further develop FLYBi's video streaming technology, giving you the ability to see and share from the air. By backing our project, you're not just purchasing some drone, you are experiencing the amazing world of FLYBi, where the skies are no longer the limit.
One by one, it's the first time. 2 by 2 and we multiply. 4 by 4 and we can't stop. Places filling up to the very top. Hear your name like a dream as the crowd starts to scream. 10 times louder than the time before. 50 new faces on the dance floor. Hear your name like a dream as the crowd starts to scream. 10 times louder than the time before. 50 new faces on the dance floor. 200 names, no one the same.
From Edison's times to our days, the lamp socket didn't change at all. 138 years have passed, but we still twist. What if we say that game has changed? You don't need to twist anymore. Just one click. Introducing the Mag Bulb, a revolutionary system which consists of 2 parts and allows installing bulbs in one click. And it's all because of magnets, of course. With MagBulb, you no longer need to push and twist the bulb in awkward lampshades. No more extracting broken bulbs using special tools. No pain for people with arthritis. And all those sufferings happen to you when you're balancing high up. Stop it now and start using MagBulb. Please support us on Kickstarter. luckily, you also have this guy to keep an eye on things. Lighthouse is a new kind of smart home device that's actually smart. It knows the difference between your dog walker, and any unexpected dog walkers. Ask Lighthouse to let you know what time your kids get home from school, to let you know if they're running late, or if Sarah comes home with a Brad. Lighthouse will recognize that she has a guest with her, and Mom's notification gives her a chance to welcome him herself.
Oh, hey, Brad.
Ugh, Mom!
Lighthouse also recognizes certain gestures, like waving, so Luke can get Dad's attention while he's out of town.
Hey, buddy.
Dad, I made an awesome suit out of tin foil! Look, got elbow pads, knee pads, a cape.
Wow, that's a really cool outfit.
And if Mom comes home to discover something out of place,
Okay.
all she has to do is ask.
Did the dog jump on the couch today?
Maybe the better question is,
Who is running between 3 and 5 p.m.?
and that's why we created Lighthouse. Simply put, Lighthouse is the first of its kind. It uses a 3D time-of-flight sensor and the most advanced computer vision and machine learning ever put into a home device. With this kind of smarts, you can keep your home and family safe while engaging with your loved ones in a totally new way. Because it's about time a smart home device actually knew the difference between this, and this. Welcome home, Dad. Say hello to the future. Say hello to Lighthouse. Find out more at light.house.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here's a station you might like.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you caught up, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 12 minutes.
Pasta timer for 12 minutes, starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills.